Hello my fellow Diecast car collector, welcome again to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys? How's your Diecast car hunting? Did you find any good score? Share it in the comments section guys. And in this video I'm going to unbox some of my Diecast car collection. I have here 3 pieces of Matchbox Diecast car guys. Look at that. They are old police vehicle. We have the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado PPV truck, Ford Police Interceptor, and the 2025 Ford Mustang police vehicle. Yeah, this is coming from Matchbox 1/64 scale. Look at that. And I don't want you to get bored guys, so I'm gonna try to make the video shorter. So without further ado, let's start it. Let's start with the Chevrolet Silverado PPV truck 2024. Look at the box. Nice packaging, eh? And this is new for 2026. 92 out of 125. 2024 Chevrolet Silverado PPV truck. So let's open it. There you go. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. (2024) Chevrolet Silverado PPV truck from Matchbox, copyright 2026 Mattel, made in Thailand. Look at that. Supervisor 11, Matchbox Police, and emergency call 911. What a beautiful casting. Chevrolet Silverado. Nice. So what do you think of this guys? Do you like this casting? Comment down below guys. Comment yes to Chevrolet Silverado police vehicle. So that's our first police vehicle from Matchbox, Chevrolet Silverado PPV truck. Hopefully my camera is working, autofocus. So here's our second one, the Ford Police Interceptor. 88 out of 125 guys. Matchbox. So let's open it. I'm gonna try to save the box so we can reuse it later on when we need to restore again the Diecast car. And here's the Ford Police Interceptor. Gee, what a nice police vehicle guys. Airport support vehicle, security, Matchbox Airport number 26 Interceptor. Nice. I really like the casting of Matchbox, made in Thailand. Ford Police Interceptor, copyright 2010 Mattel. Beautiful black. Looks clean. So this is the Ford Police Interceptor, plastic base, plastic wheels. Also the Silverado is plastic base and plastic wheels. Look at that. Nice. They are both black color, but as you can see on the photo on the box, looks like color blue, but the actual diecast car is color black. But it's pretty awesome, guys. I like it. So what do you think about this Ford Police Interceptor, guys? Do you like it? Comment yes, Ford Police Interceptor. Comment yes. So here's our last one, the 2025 Ford Mustang Police, also new for 2026. 100 out of 125. Ford Mustang. So let's open it. I'm excited to see the actual diecast car, the Ford Mustang one. So let's remove the cover slowly. Wow, Ford Mustang, baby. Emergency call 911. Police state trooper serving your community. Number 26. What a beautiful casting, eh? I also like the color. Nice. This is my favorite out of 3. Of course, the Ford Mustang. This is the main diecast cars that I am collecting, guys. Ford Mustang. 2025 Mustang Police, made in Thailand. Copyright 2026 Mattel. Plastic base and plastic wheels. Awesome. I really like this one. So what do you think about this Ford Mustang Police vehicle, guys? Comment yes, Ford Mustang Police, if you like it. Gee, what a beautiful Ford Mustang. So there you go, guys. 3 police vehicle. So comment down below, guys, which is your favorite, guys. Is it the Chevrolet Silverado, the Police Interceptor, or the Ford Mustang Police vehicle? Comment down below, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like and enjoyed this simple diecast car unboxing. If you do, please hit thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet and you are interested in this kind of video content, diecast car hunting, diecast car collection, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for you to get notified every time I posted new video in this channel. Again, thank you so much, happy hunting, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Sorry ass DJ.